Everyone thinks the best-selling sewing machines are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Heavy Duty 4452. Let me introduce you to the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. This machine caught my eye with its 32 built-in stitches and powerful motor, priced at $219.99. If you want a reliable machine that can handle thick fabrics with ease, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4452 features an enhanced piercing power motor that gives you 50% more strength for tough materials, making it a breeze to sew through multiple layers. With 110 stitch applications available, you can easily switch from basic to decorative stitches, which is perfect for all your creative projects. Plus, it has a top drop-in bobbin that's easy to monitor and refill, so you won't be interrupted mid-project. It's no wonder over 1,000 of these have flown off the shelves this past month. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it can be a bit heavier to move around. Here's the thing though. This added weight contributes to its stability while sewing, which many users appreciate, especially when working on larger projects. This is perfect for you if you're a serious crafter looking for a machine that can tackle heavy fabrics. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something lightweight and portable. For the price, you're getting great value for a durable and powerful sewing machine. Now, if the weight of the 4452 is a concern for you, the next one on my list is a bit more portable, but still powerful.
Product number 2, Heavy Duty 4423. Next up is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Priced at $210.99, this model packs 23 built-in stitches and a strong motor. If you want to sew quickly and efficiently, this one deserves your attention. The 4423's high-speed capability is impressive, reaching 1,100 stitches per minute. This means you can finish your projects faster, which is great if you have a lot on your plate. The automatic needle threader is a game changer too. It saves you from straining your eyes and fumbling with the needle. With a sturdy metal frame, it offers the durability you need for heavy fabrics, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users. Plus, with 700 plus sold recently, it's clearly a popular option. However, a few users mentioned that the threading path can be a bit tricky to follow. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's really not that bad. And the speed and power you get make it worth the initial learning curve. This is great for you if you're looking for a balance between power and portability. Skip this one if you're looking for more decorative stitching options. For its price, it's a solid investment. All right. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a unique design while still getting the job done. Product number 3, Heavy Duty 4411 Pink. Check out the Singer Heavy Duty 4411, which comes in a vibrant pink design and is priced at $229.99. If you want a stylish machine that still packs a punch, this is worth considering. The 4411 features 11 built-in stitches, providing 69 applications that cover everything from basic repairs to creative projects. It's equipped with a motor that's 60% stronger than standard models, allowing you to sew through thick fabrics like denim and leather effortlessly. Plus, it has an extra high sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, which is fantastic for those busy sewing days. The bonus accessory kit adds incredible value, including presser feet and tools that would usually cost extra. That said, some users pointed out that it only has a 4-step buttonhole, which can be a bit tedious. But here's the thing. If you're primarily using it for straight and zigzag stitches, this isn't a deal breaker at all, especially considering its overall performance and style. This is perfect for you if you want a heavy-duty machine that stands out in your sewing room. Skip this one if you're mostly focused on intricate patterns. For the features you get, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for an even lighter option, let's take a look at the next product.
Product number 4, Brother XM3700. Moving on, we have the Brother XM3700. This machine is priced at $134.99 and offers 37 built-in stitches. If you're a beginner or someone who wants a lightweight option without sacrificing functionality, this one's for you. The XM3700 is incredibly user-friendly, with an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system, making threading a breeze. It also features a versatile free arm that's perfect for small projects like sleeves and cuffs. With 600 plus sales in the past month, it's clearly a favorite among those who appreciate ease of use. Plus, the variety of stitches means you can be creative without feeling limited. However, some users have mentioned that it doesn't handle heavy fabrics as well as the Singer models. But honestly, if you're mostly working with lighter materials, this machine is more than capable and offers excellent value for the price. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a machine for everyday sewing tasks. Skip this one if you plan to work with thicker fabrics regularly. For its price point, it's a fantastic entry-level machine. Now, if you want something with a bit more durability for heavier materials, the last product might be what you need.
Product number 5, Brother ST371 HD. Last but not least is the Brother ST371 HD, priced at $228.32. If you need a tough machine for heavy-duty sewing, this one should be on your radar. With 37 unique built-in stitches and a powerful motor, the ST371 HD can handle a variety of fabrics, from lightweight to heavy-duty materials, making it a versatile choice for any project. The automatic needle threader and efficient drop-in bobbin system are also included, which is an absolute must for hassle-free sewing. This model has received positive feedback, with 500 plus sales recently, highlighting its strong appeal among sewists. A common complaint is that it can feel a bit bulkier than some other models. However, the stability it provides while sewing is a huge plus, especially for those larger projects where you need consistent results. This is perfect for you if you're a serious sewist looking to tackle a variety of materials. Skip this one if you're just starting out and need something more portable. For what you get, it's certainly a fair price for a heavy-duty machine.
To wrap it all up, if you're looking for power and performance, the Singer heavy-duty models are fantastic choices, with the 4452 and 4423 standing out for their durability. The 4411 adds a stylish twist, while the Brother XM3700 and ST371 HD offer excellent options for beginners and heavy-duty needs, respectively. No matter your sewing needs, there's something here for everyone.